About this item: 2.4V 800mAh NIMH rechargeable BT18433 BT28433 phone battery, higher capacity for longer lasting time. Replacement batteries for BT18433 BT28433 BT18433 BT28433 BT8001 BT8300 BT1011 BT1018 compatible with VTEC CS6229-2 CS6209 CS6219 CS6229 6302 DS6301 DS6151 DS6101, Unidanuxi 3077 DECT 3080 DECT 4066 DECT 4096, Motorola L601M L602 L603M L701 L702M L903 L513 CBT, AT&T CL80100, GE36407 overvoltage, overcurrent, overcharge, and short circuit protection and best wire length. For the space, easy to install, much more economic than buying a new phone. Compatible with original chargers. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: 2.4V 800mAh NIMH rechargeable